Hello and welcome to the channel Make Money Online. This video is for all my global citizens to learn about 10 ways to make money with Amazon, online and offline as well. Some of these ways need no money at all and some of them need small or significant amount of investment in order to run a seller account and to maintain inventory and logistics. Intrigued by the idea how? There will be a series of 10 videos. Each video and its contents will cover and unlock one way at a time of how to make money with Amazon through different ways. So don't miss to watch this upcoming series of 10 ways to make money with Amazon. Here's the list of 10 ways. 1. Amazon's affiliate program or affiliate marketing program. 2. Self-publishing. Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. 3. Join Mechanical Turk. 4. Work from home for Amazon. 5. Link up with Amazon's influencer program. 6. Apply for Amazon Handmade. 7. Deliver packages for Amazon Flex. 8. Work as a fulfillment or warehouse associate. 9. Make money through merchant fulfilled seller account. 10. Sign up for fulfillment by Amazon seller account. So let's start with the one of 10 ways to make money with Amazon. 1. Amazon's affiliate program or affiliate marketing program. Amazon's affiliate marketing program is a great way to monetize your website or blog. You can simply make money by launching an interesting product review campaign for almost all the products and items that are available on Amazon. In order to promote the products and get commission on the sale of those products and items, you need to sign up for Amazon account by going to www.amazon.com. If you already have an account through which you purchase on Amazon, that account suffices. Then scroll down to the bottom of the Amazon page and click on the hyperlink Become an Affiliate. Sign up page will give you a walkthrough to create an account on Amazon and affiliate marketing. Basically, you make money with Amazon affiliates by adding Amazon's special affiliate links to Amazon products you've written or reviewed about. When an interested viewer or reader clicks the link created through your affiliate link and makes a purchase through it, you earn a commission. This is called affiliate marketing. You're marketing for the Amazon's products through your website, blog or a YouTube channel. Here's an example. Suppose you or someone you know purchased an item and you want to write about. You'll pocket up to 10% of the purchase price. You may also select the items of your interest, choice or something you've researched about on Amazon and online. It's not mandatory to actually purchase and use the product in order to launch the marketing campaign about it. However, your marketing and promotional campaign about any product that is available on Amazon will be more worthy and convincing to buy or pay attention to by your viewers, readers, friends or fans, if you've an in-depth knowledge of the product, or you've actually used it before promoting it for sale. Realistically, the commission on the products may vary from a product to product. If you've selected to promoted electronic items, that is mobile, the commission rate will be lower as compared to the products like clothing etc. The amazing part is, it's free to join, so there's no loss in adding the product marketing campaign, video reviews and informative posts into your website, blog, YouTube channel or social networking pages, where you're already writing and sharing stuff about. The useful direct links to sign up and read about the commission policies are given in the description in order to further facilitate the viewers. Keep watching